Hello, grade 6. Hope you're fine. Today we will start a new chapter, the perpendicular bisector. Today, our objectives. First of all, we will start with recognize the perpendicular bisector. Draw a perpendicular bisector. Use the fact that every point on the perpendicular bisector is at equal distance from its extremities. What is the perpendicular bisector? The perpendicular bisector is a perpendicular that passes through the midpoint of a segment. So we have over here two words, which is perpendicular and midpoint. We learned that perpendicular is a line that make on another line a 90-degree angle, and the midpoint is a that cut segment into two equal parts. So midpoint is the point that cut the segment into two equal parts, and the perpendicular bisector make a 90-degree angle. So let's see this figure. We have over here two sides, or over here we have a midpoint, since this side from here to here is equal from here to here. So this point is a midpoint, and we have a 90-degree angle. So 90 degree, we say that we have a perpendicular. So when we have a midpoint and a perpendicular, we have a perpendicular bisector. To draw a perpendicular bisector using compass, we have this segment AB. First of all, we will open our compass greater than the half of AB. So the compass must be its opening greater than AB. Then we will draw an arc from A. So we will center the compass at A, and we will draw an arc like this example. Then we will draw another arc from B. So first of all, we open our compass greater than AB. We will draw an arc from A. Then we will draw another arc from B. These two arcs, like we see in the figure 3, these two arcs intersect at C and D. So these two arcs intersect at C and D, then we have the perpendicular bisector CD. Okay, then we will continue. To draw a perpendicular bisector using set square, we have this segment AB. So we will use our ruler to measure the line AB. Let's say that AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Then we will plot our midpoint of AB at 5 centimeter, since the half of 10 centimeter is 5 centimeter, and the midpoint cut the side into two equal parts. So we will plot our midpoint at 5 centimeter. Then we will use our set square to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. So this is our set square. We plot this set square at the 90-degree angle. Then we will draw the perpendicular bisector. So this line is the perpendicular bisector. So the perpendicular bisector has a specific theorem. So if a point is on the perpendicular bisector of a segment, then it is equidistant from the endpoints of the segment, or the extremities. We can say about the endpoints, the extremity. So over here we have point P. It's located on the perpendicular bisector. Why it's a perpendicular bisector? Since it cut the line AB at the midpoint, and it make a 90-degree angle. So this line is the perpendicular bisector, and we have the point P located on this line, on the line on the perpendicular bisector line. So P is equal, so we can say that P is equidistant from the endpoints, which is A and B. So PB is equal to PA. Since PM is perpendicular to AB and MA is equal to MB, then this line is a perpendicular bisector and P is located on this line, so PA is equal to PB. So, end of this theorem, any point located on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the extremities of the line or segment.